Jenna here. I'm so excited because today I'm finally unveiling my apartment. This has something that I've been wanting to share for a long time. I've actually lived in this apartment for almost a year and a half, and I have finally feel like it's done in terms of decor. This is my first apartment since college, so I had to buy a lot of things to fill it up. So now I am ready to share it. So let's get started. When you first walk into the apartment, you will see our shoes and the rug. So we keep our shoes here so you can grab them quickly when we need to run out. And obviously have different lots of kinds for the winter, and our rug, which is great for wiping the boots in the winter. Moving over to the closet, we keep our hats, mittens, and gloves in there, as well as all of our extra coats. We tend to have a lot since it's a Minnesota winter, and that's extra storage as well. So lots of boots below. The next thing that you'll see is more boots, as well as our mail carrier and key carrier that I got on Amazon. This is my Orange Theory fitness monitor, so I can check my heart rate as well as my keys. And this is where we can keep mail as well. Super great buy. Then we have our coat rack. I like to grab my coats and purses from this versus the closet if I'm running out. Also an Amazon purchase. Moving over to my roommate's TV and stand. She brought this with her when she moved in, and I keep all of my movie collection and all of my DVDs, including the OC, Everwood, Gilmore Girls, One Tree Hill, Dawson's Creek, all the classics. Love these. And obviously my movie collection. So over here we have more photos, and we have this corner, which I'm obsessed with. We keep some blankets down here in this little adorable little carrier for that. Moving up, we also have a macrame that I got at Five Below, which is one of my favorite stores. Again, just $5 for this thing. Super, super fun, and I absolutely love it. And then moving over, we have a lamp that I got at IKEA and more photos. I tend to have a lot of photos around. So, and then also some awesome window coverings. And our sofa and coffee table. Fun fact, I got this coffee table off the street, if you can believe it. The marble stand is from At Home, and the rug is also from At Home. And the actual things on the table are a lot of candles and these red roses that are actually real, and they last for at least a year, which is crazy. Trying to zoom in on that here. Yeah, I love the decor here. And then over here we have some pillows, and then we have our AC for the summer, as well as a lamp. And then over here we have a little table and my Alexa, which can turn on when it says Alexa. So there's that. That is the living room area. So now we are going to be moving over into the kitchen. I have this adorable little sign that says "Don't quit your daydream," which I love that phrase. Then we also have some more photos. I tend to have a lot of those around. Moving into our smallish galley kitchen, I love that it's white. I'm obsessed with white. And this is some of the things that I've gotten from my grandma who passed away. All of this, her little tea carrier, old knives, as well as the toaster. Moving over, just a basic kitchen. I got my bread box I got on Amazon. And then we have just a lot of different things. I'm not going to show you everything, but I wanted to show you the actual fridge. We've got lots of cool magnets, and my roommate and I have a collection of magnets, as well as I have a lot of photos, a lot of Polaroids you can see right here. I just like to have cute things on the fridge. And then up here, I have my actual popcorn maker. So if you're ever interested in finding a popcorn maker, this one goes in the microwave and it expands, and it's the easiest thing to use. I absolutely love it. I'm not going to show you this, but this is where our washer and dryer is. It's really awesome. We get one in this neighborhood. It's hard to find a unit that has a washer and dryer, and stuff is happening in there right now. So that's why I'm recording this here. Over here we have more food items, tea, as well as some more decor that I really enjoy. And then also some, oh, this is actually my grandma's, and she collected chicken different statuettes that she has. She has like probably 15 of them. I got this one that has eggs in it. And then if you go over here, you'll see I have another one. It's a rooster. I thought these were my favorite, so I took those. And then this is my roommate's Ninja coffee maker. I also have a Ninja blender, which if you didn't hear, I actually cut myself really bad
can't really see, it's not really focusing, but I got stitches earlier this year when I cut myself on the Ninja, so definitely need to make sure I'm a little bit safer with that. So that is the kitchen, a little bit more decor. Other than that, that is our basic kitchen. And moving over to the living dining room, this is the rest of the main apartment you will see. So starting over here, you'll see the outside of our apartment and my roommate's stair glider machine that she uses, a lamp behind there, as well as just the different parts of the apartment. This is our bookcase that I got at IKEA. This was a great purchase, and I also bought the table. Underneath you'll see a dehumidifier. Our apartment got really humid, so she's borrowing that from a friend, but it's gotten better now that it's winter. So I like to decorate with different books, bookends. I'm kind of a book fanatic, so I love this bicycle bookend. This thing I made at a Pinterest workshop, which is so cute. And then photos, more books, more photos, more books. Games, I've got some cute little signs. I'm just kind of obsessed with games and photos and books. So that's kind of what this thing is for. I'm obsessed with it. It's from IKEA. Make today amazing. Over here we have our table and chairs as well as a rug. The table and chairs is from IKEA. I think it was like $150 for everything. So that was a really good deal. And then the rug, same one as the one from the other part of the apartment. It's from At Home. This is my keyboard. I won it in 7th grade and it was at my parents' house. I love playing piano, played it for 12 years, so brought that over here. And this is my roommate's really cool collection of wall art. I have this wall art from Home Goods and I really enjoy that phrase. So I bought that for this corner. Obviously the light again from IKEA. And then this was from my grandma's house and that is my piano books. So that is this cute little corner. Moving over here we have a cute little corner that I have a photo as well as mother diffuser. Down here, more storage for things, including my first aid kit and my heater that you can put in the microwave. I just got that. One thing I wanted to show you is my essential oils collection, which you can see in the diffuser, and that is up here. I just got this case today from Home Goods, and it keeps all of my essential oils so I can see them. Originally this was made for nail polish or lipstick or something, but I love it and I'm so excited to be able to see all my essential oils now. This cabinet is used for just extra storage for different plates and such, so that is that corner. Moving over to the hallway, we have another macrame from Five Below. That's $5. I bought a bunch of them because I knew it was a good deal. That's my roommate's room. Not going to go in there because that's her room and it's private for this video. In my bathroom, we have a large storage. Not going to show you there. I am hello. And we have my hot tools with my curler, straightener, hair dryer with this holder from the Container Store. Oh man, it's super bright. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. Okay, so here's the cabinet and here is my sink and storage, and here is my smart scale that I never really use, and then our shower curtain, which I think is kind of cute. And then we have some artwork I got at home. Again, this one is a Christian one that I think is really nice. And then this one over here is another quote, "Hope is the anchor for my soul." I just thought these were really cute for the bathroom, so love artwork. And there I am again, and that is the bathroom tour. So this is my bedroom, and I will give you a very in-depth view of that, but this is the overview of what it looks like. So starting with the closet, this is actually a much larger closet than I even have at my house I grew up at, so this is exciting for me to have space. A lot of my clothes are in the washer dryer right now, so this is just some of my clothing. I have way too much clothing. So moving in, you will see this thing that you're probably like, what the heck is that? And that is the best invention known to man, and that is the Damprid, which helps me get rid of excess water. Look how much water is in this thing, guys. That's how much humidity there was in our apartment. So I keep that in there to take in excessive humidity. And then we also have long sleeves. Oh, here I have my jewelry holder, earrings on one side, necklaces on the other. Got it at Amazon. It's awesome. I've got belts as well as hats, and I made these using shower curtain hooks, so that's a really easy hack if you want to do something with your hats. Kind of wish they were on the wall though, kind of hard to grab. Then moving up, we have summer stuff. We have swimsuits as well as other summer essentials like suntan lotion, and then under here I can store extra hangers if I need to in a little case. And then down here I have my extra shoes. I honestly don't have that many shoes. I'm not really a shoe person, so this is really the extent of my shoes and the ones out by the front door. So great rack that I got on Amazon.
You might have guessed, but my room is more themed to be white and the outside decor is more themed to be brown. So I kind of made that choice on purpose to kind of separate the colors. So this room is definitely much more white.
So over on the left-hand side of the closet, you will see two bins that hold shorts in one and sweatshirts in the other. I got those at Walmart and I saw them in a BuzzFeed video, so I got obsessed. Then I have my weekend storage suitcase. I have all of my shirts, short sleeve shirts, tanks, and dresses. You can see that there's more dresses back there. And then I have my little pillow that I use when I sit on my bed. I also have this little drying rack that my mom got at Goodwill. And then I have this clock that I've had since I was a child that makes a ticking noise, and I love the sound of it. So yeah, that's like my favorite. And then this is where I grab my towels in the morning when I take a shower, because I prefer a rack versus a hook. So I've had these towels for a long time. I probably should get some new ones. Moving over, we have my bed, which is this rest of the room. Down here, I have a little case that I got for my extra towels and my blankets and sheets. I love that this is also a little place you can sit. I got this on Amazon. Moving over, my bed is from IKEA. It is a twin bed that I love because it's able to move really easily. And this is the comforter duvet cover I got on Amazon. It was a lot of money, but I thought it was worth it because I love the pattern and it was super cute and I am obsessed with it. So that is my bed. And then moving on up, I have some wall decor from Five Below, this cute little tray. Using the stuff because it's an apartment we're renting. Got a cute little photo and a cute little plant over here. Then moving over, I have a black macrame, as I mentioned. This is the one sort of black thing that I have in here. These are the kind of accent colors versus the white. Down here I have my favorite lamp of all time, and that is from Target. It was $7, you guys, on clearance. Love it. And then I have my phone charging, and then I have my Apple Watch stand that I got at Five Below for $5, so I don't have to lay my Apple Watch down on the side table. So this side table I've had for years, no idea where it's from. Okay, y'all, I'm super excited about this section. I got these great things on Amazon and I'm obsessed with them. I saw them on Pinterest, and so I put little binder clips on to make them look really cute with the little photos and graphics that I have, printouts that I love. And then I have my desk. I have another thing to hold Polaroids. I'm kind of obsessed with Polaroids. My MacBook that has a really cool time screensaver. I've got my matching candle over here. It matches my lamp from Target. This is my diffuser. I have two of them. Lights up. Then I have my pens and my pencil sharpener over here. And this desk is from IKEA. And inside of the drawer, I have batteries, extra cables, just random stuff. My chair is from At Home as well. I didn't really show it in that clip. Over here I have my salt lamp that I got on Amazon. It got so humid this summer that it started melting, so that's my indicator if it's too humid. Down here I have, this is from Big Lots, and I have just extra cables and stuff in it, extra tech and stuff. And then down here I have a little thing that holds all my files. Then this is my YouTube corner. I put this up earlier this year. This has all my twinkling lights and my curtain rods and my curtains and extra stuff like lighting for YouTube videos. I really like this corner. It really adds a lot. I've always wanted something like this in my room, and it wasn't that expensive. Now we're moving on to the final area. This is the chest of drawers I made from IKEA a couple years ago. Got this for Christmas. And then this is where all of my makeup and stuff is every day. So I'll start over here. I got this thing on Belk.com, and it holds all of my foundation powders and a lot of things like concealer over here. And then I also have brushes and some sprays and such. So these are from IKEA. Everything here is basically from IKEA. Down here, this is new. I got a new brush holder. Did you know that you're actually supposed to wash your brushes upside down? So this allows them to dry upside down. And yeah, so that's great for drying brushes. And this is really cheap. A lot of this stuff is my foundations. I got lipstick stuff. All this is from the Container Store, and it stores all my eyeliner, mascara, all that stuff. Eyeshadow palettes over here. I've got my mirror. I've got just like hair stuff in here. My big earrings that don't fit in the thing in my closet, which is really a lot. I have all of my nail polishes. I need to get rid of like all of them. My pills and vitamins and supplements, and my body stuff, so lotions and sunscreen and such. So that is it. I don't have anything else. I don't have any extra stuff. This is all I have, which is still a lot. But a lot of YouTube beauty people have like so much, I can't even believe it. I'm like, all this stuff was so expensive already. So that is all of the stuff that I have. Then the chest of drawers again. I love building IKEA furniture. So this was one of my big projects I did in my life, and that took like probably 3 days. So yeah, this is my room. I'm kind of obsessed with it, and I hope that you enjoyed this room tour. And up here, we have something that I got at home, which is another thing. I loved it because it was big, and it was able to have these little clips that has different pictures, Polaroids that I got on my Polaroid printer. And yeah, so I love all of this, and this is my room. This is my apartment. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time.
So that is my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of went quickly through a lot of things just because I don't want this video to be like 30 minutes long. But if you have any questions, I will be linking almost everything that I know of that still is in stores inside of the actual video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.